Yes, ma'am.
What is the problem?
I don't know what the problem is, but this officer is asking you to step out.
No, I know better than to get out of my car.
And according to Florida State statute, if we ask you to get out of the vehicle, unfortunately, you have to get out.
I can sign right here.
So this one starts simple. Stop sign. Phone in one hand, coffee in the other. That's it. That's all this was supposed to be. Watch.
How's it going? I'm Officer Shrove, the Orlando Police Department. Do you have your license, registration, proof of insurance?
Is it safe to get it out?
Yep. And the registration and proof of insurance?
It's a rental.
It's a rental? Okay. Do you mind hanging up while we're... I'm sorry? I can't hear you.
I said I'm not hanging up my phone, and it's a rental, and I've had it for about a week.
Okay. The reason I'm pulling you over is you ran the stop sign back there at Livingston and Broadway, and you're talking on your phone and had coffee in the other hand.
I definitely didn't run a stop sign. I would never run a stop sign.
Well, you did. And
So I can't be on mine.
you cannot be holding your phone, and you cannot be holding coffee in another hand. You need to be paying attention to driving.
I'm not driving. I'll just take the ticket and go. This is not.
Okay, I'm just letting you know.
Vibes aren't well, and I'm pretty sure it's not.
You're in a
illegal to
residential-
sip coffee.
It is when you're not paying attention. You're running a stop sign. You got a
All right,
phone in one
officer.
hand and a coffee in the other,
Okay,
and you're in a
Officer Shaw.
residential neighborhood.
Okay, Officer Shaw. I don't want
So, okay, I guess we just don't care about safety. Stay there, please. I think I'm gonna 1015 her.
What?
You Willis? Phone in one hand, coffee in the other. Goes right through the stop sign. Pull her over. Still talking on the phone. Giving me attitude about how she didn't run the stop sign. Still got her coffee in her hand. Just doesn't care. And her license has been suspended twice. So, and she's in a rental, so she can't be driving it.
I would never run a stop sign. He watched you do it, on duty. Specifically looking for people running that stop sign. Because the community complained about it. And then she goes, I'll just take my ticket and go. Cool, that was the move from the jump. But she couldn't even do that without arguing first. And then he runs her license. Suspended. Twice. Now it's not a ticket situation anymore.
Hello. He's going to have you step out so you can sign for these.
I'm not getting out.
You're not getting out?
No, he can bring it right here. Officer Sayer?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the problem?
I don't know what the problem is, but this officer is asking you to step out.
No, I know better than to get out of my car.
And according to Florida State statute, if we ask you to get out of the vehicle, unfortunately, you have to get out.
I can sign right here. I'm not going to get out.
You need to step out of the vehicle.
I'm not going to get out. So
Well,
he can move his
here's the deal.
The supervisor pulls up and she hits him with, I know better than to get out of my car. Where did she learn that? Because whoever told her that did her dirty. Florida statute is clear. Officer asks you to step out. You step out, that's it. That's been settled law since the 70s. And she's sitting there holding her coffee like this is a debate.
You're being placed under arrest, and you need to step outside of the vehicle. You need to step out of the vehicle, or I'm going to take you out by busting this window. You can step out, or we're going to take you out. You are under arrest for driving with a suspended license. Step out of the vehicle. This is not going to end well for you. You need to step out of the vehicle.
Door unlocked?
No. You need to step out of the vehicle, or I'm going to bust this window.
Just open the door, man. Just open the door, man.
Do you have a punch? Open the vehicle now. You have no more chances. Open the vehicle and step out.
She rolled the window up while they're talking to her, mid-sentence, and then locked the door. At that point, it's not even about the suspended license anymore. Now, you're physically preventing officers from carrying out an arrest. That's a whole separate charge she just handed them for free. One signature. That's all they wanted originally. One signature on a ticket and she walks.
Open the vehicle and step out. Or I am going to pull you out of this vehicle. Do you understand me?
Are making me feel very threatened.
You are dictating how this goes. You are under arrest. You need to step out of the vehicle and put your hands behind your back.
You started this.
Yes, I pulled you over. You
Yeah,
need to step out of the
started on the
vehicle.
wrong foot.
Okay, step out of the vehicle right now. Step out. Come on.
I can't have no interaction with him. I can have
Step
one
out of
with
the
you.
vehicle.
I can
You
have
are
one with
under
you, but I
arrest.
can't have one with you.
You're now under arrest. Step out of the vehicle.
Or you.
Grab her arm.
You have to get out of the car, man.
Yeah, but not like this.
Okay, just
Get
get
out
But
of
not
the
like
vehicle
this. But not like this.
Man, get out of the car.
No.
You have to.
Why?
You're under arrest.
For?
Drive with a suspended license.
You gonna hit me?
Are you gonna hit me?
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car. Come on.
No. No.
We're not doing this.
No.
All right, you're about to get sprayed.
No. I don't.
Okay, so get.
I also don't want y'all
You have to get out of the
harassing
car.
me.
Let go. You
You
are
have
under arrest.
For what?
Step
Drive with
out
a
of the
suspended
vehicle
license.
now.
Come on.
Step
I'm
out
trying to
of
do
the
this.
vehicle
I'm trying to
now.
do this calmly. You're being very difficult.
Step out of the vehicle now. Step out
It
of the
don't
vehicle
take three of
now.
y'all.
Okay,
It's
well-
three of them.
Are you gonna step out?
Yeah, but
Stop
you can
resisting.
relax.
Get out.
I can get out on my
Stop
own.
resisting. Get
I
out.
can get out on
Stop.
my own.
Well, you're not. So get out
Well,
now.
just back up and give me a second.
Let's go
You
now.
want to make it up.
Okay. Now
I'll get out on my own.
you have to get
I
out.
can get out.
Step out now. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind
You're
your
making
back.
this
You're
difficult.
under
He's
arrest.
making it difficult.
No,
Put your
you are
hands
too-
behind
you
your
are.
back.
They're arresting me, guys.
Family is right there watching, and she's asking, "Does this make y'all feel good?" The officer says, and I thought this was actually a decent response, "No, this is not what I wanted to be doing today." Because it's true, nobody wins here. The officers don't want this paperwork. The family doesn't want this. She definitely doesn't want this. This whole scene exists because of a stop sign.
Like a specific problem
No.
with me.
I have a problem that you ran a stop sign, you're driving with a not valid license, and you're holding coffee and a phone in your hand while you're driving.
Who was
That's what I
holding
have
the
a problem.
steering wheel? That's a flat out
Nobody
lie.
was. I watched you. Sit down. Sit down.
I'll just sit right
Scoot
here.
back. No, get in the car. We're not playing this game. Get in the car. It's done. You're under arrest. Sit in the vehicle, please. Get in the vehicle. Sit down. Thank you.
Can y'all get my purse out of here?
I have your purse. This is Lululemon one, right?
I have my coffee.
This one.
What about my house keys?
Okay, and now you're flipping the handcuffs to the front.
They are too tight. I told you.
You're
that.
also being charged with resisting arrest.
Okay, Officer
Okay.
Strong. It's fine.
Can you help me get her handcuffs in the back?
These are too tight. They're hurting my wrist.
Turn around, face that way. Wait,
I asked you to make it a little bit
you
loose.
never asked me.
Oh my! When that other guy was standing there,
Well, you never asked me. Put your hands behind your back.
this was tight too.
Okay, give me a second and I can fix it.
And then I got all this other shit on my wrist. You just put it all on top of all of that.
Well, that's what happens when you
This
fight.
thing could have been very nice.
Again.
Can you honestly say I don't have the right to be terrified of white police officers?
Yes.
Okay, so then where's the compassion?
We gave you every opportunity.
But you weren't telling me why. You
Yeah,
were
I
telling
did.
me
I
why.
clearly explained to you why you were being under arrest. And then you rolled up your window.
You said
So
my
how am I
license
supposed?
is suspended, which
Yes.
is complete bullshit. I've never had an encounter with the police.
Okay, well, it's
So why would
suspended.
it
It's
be
been
suspended?
suspended twice.
Oh, y'all made it.
Alright, I'm gonna go.
Yeah, I'm okay. We're just gonna take your test.
We're gonna be there to get you out.
I don't know where they taking me.
We'll figure it out. 33rd Street and John Young Parkway.
What is done? Okay.
Or, you got your maps up?
He said I'm getting booked. I don't know what that.
Put maps up.
Okay. But don't worry, y'all.
We'll be there.
Somebody get out of
But you're not
We'll
okay.
be there.
Where did they just pull over?
Yes.
Orange County Jail.
Like, bro, Jada, can they give you the people rental?
Excuse me.
Another day, another dollar. Here's the
I have a license, so I can take care of it. What is
So unless her or the husband is
Keith?
there, whoever's on
Okay.
the rental,
Yeah, it got to be her or the husband, your dad or your
Who
husband.
was the officer that she's in the car? Was that the one who was being aggressive?
That's the one that arrested her.
where we come get her from? From the
It's
jail?
the one who
No, it'll be at
arrested her.
580 Wilmer Avenue. We'll give you a sheet, that sheet right there.
She said she didn't want to go with the one who arrested her because he was being overly aggressive. Like, it's okay to be
Unfortunately-
arrested, but
He wasn't being aggressive, and unfortunately, you don't get to
he
pick
said
and
he
choose
was
what
going
cops
out of the
are.
car and he was banging on the
Correct.
window. But that's like,
That's where the
it's
car's
okay to
going.
be, like, nobody not
This is going to
compliant. Like,
33rd.
What's that? Like, is it your mom?
Orange County
Yeah.
Jail.
I explained to
Orange
her,
County
when we
Jail.
ask you to step out of the vehicle,
Do you know-
you have to step out of the vehicle.
so, like,
The state statute says you have to get out of the vehicle.
Do you know, like, how long it'll take?
Then
them
she
to
rolled the
put
window
that
up and locked the doors.
It's a
because,
traffic
like,
offense. So it
Don't
shouldn't
know
take long.
because she didn't listen.
but if you tell somebody to get out of the car, isn't that for, like drugs, weed, smell, or something like that?
We knew we were going to arrest her.
Y'all knew y'all was going to arrest
Yes.
her.
And she had tickets to sign. So we could have you step out of the vehicle, sign tickets, and then get back in the vehicle. But unfortunately for her, she was going to be arrested.
On speaker.
It is, Maya. This is my auntie. He's right here.
But you said it don't take long.
This paperwork should take long.
She was driving on a suspended license and has been suspended twice. With notice.
You always tell people 46 hours. So it should be less than that.
Okay.
So it's not a
What
problem.
did they take her?
Okay, we
Yeah,
know
Yeah, you
the
gotta pay the
address.
bond. Yeah.
It's going to be
Orange
33rd
County, Orange County
Go to get her
Jail.
out, we go straight.
and John Young Parkway.
Bail bond thing and then go to
Do
process.
you know
Orange County
what the
Jail.
bill's bond is over there?
Her bond,
She don't know Keith.
her bond will probably be around $200.
Yeah, 200. That's what I said. 500.
So wait about 46
Around
hours.
200.
46 hours.
Maybe less.
But maybe less than that. You probably go there like within an hour and probably get 20.
So it's going to take him probably an hour to get his stuff done. Then she's got to get booked in, which might be another hour.
So she gonna be at the jail once
I got all the
we
info.
get
All right, thank y'all.
there. Yeah, it's okay.
Please sit up. Please sit up because it's not safe to sit like that, okay?
There's so many other horrible things going on.
Well, unfortunately, I have to deal with everything in between that as well.
So I'm a criminal now.
You committed a crime, yes.
What was the crime?
Several. Failing to stop at a stop sign.
You know that's total bullshit that my hand was on.
You had a phone in one and a coffee can in the other, so I don't know how you were driving.
How far does that go?
It's not far.
You know, you guys did this to yourself. I would be nice, but
No, you literally did this to
I
yourself.
didn't. I'm talking about the fact that people have to be defensive when you pull us over. That's not what I want.
Understand, you dictate how the traffic stop goes. If you
No,
feel
you
like,
ain't
just
just like
hear
get
me
off
out.
the phone. Why?
I
don't
didn't, no,
legally,
that's
I don't have
not,
to go.
I asked if you could get off the phone while I talked to you because you were not listening to me
No freaking way.
and you weren't answering me.
No freaking
If
way.
you feel that we did something wrong, out here is not where to debate it. You can take it to court and debate it that way.
And there it is at the end. She says it herself. I did this to myself. Not the officer saying it, not me, her. And then she immediately walks it back and pivots to something else. But that one moment of clarity, she knew. Look, the fear of police is real. I'm not dismissing that. But fear doesn't change the statute. And I know better than to get out is not legal advice. It's a rumor that just cost her a resisting charge on top of everything else. What was supposed to be a $150 fine turned into an arrest, a bond, a court date, and a resisting charge. All before her coffee got cold.